Chapter 1 introduces basic knowledge and skills for information system project initiation. This is the start of information system development. These are your learning objectives of this chapter. The first section is about the role of system analyst and the skills needed for the system analyst. Read these slides and textbook for the details. If you are going to be a system analyst, how will you prepare for this career? Think about it. The overall process of system development is called the System Development Life Cycle, SDLC. There are 4 phases in the whole life cycle: planning, analysis, design, and implementation. This figure shows how the cycle works. If there has an idea of developing a new system, first create a project plan, then do system analysis, system design, and finally system implementation. After the 4 phases are completed, there is a new system. But with time and situation change, this system may become obsolete. The organization may consider upgrading the system or developing a new system. Then the cycle starts over again. Each phase includes specific tasks. We will introduce these tasks and according skills in details in the following chapters. The following section introduces project initiation, how projects get started. A project is identified when someone in the organization identifies a business need to build a system. These are the examples of business need. Business process management is a methodology used by organizations to continuously improve end-to-end business processes. Project sponsor is the person or group who develops the initial vision of the new system. The project sponsor works throughout the SDLC to make sure the project is moving in the right direction from the business perspective. The project sponsor specifies overall business requirements. The systems request formally requests a project. The systems request includes these key elements. This table lists the description and examples of these elements. This is a case example. Please read the details in the textbook. Once the need for the system and its business requirements have been identified, the system analyst need to conduct a feasibility analysis. Feasibility analysis guides the organization in determining whether to proceed with the project. It also identifies the important risks associated with the project. Feasibility analysis includes 3 issues of the project: technical feasibility, economic feasibility, and organizational feasibility. Technical feasibility analysis is actually a technical risk analysis to answer the question, can we build it? These are the assessment factors, which are possible technical risks for a project. Economic feasibility analysis is also called a cost-benefit analysis to answer the question, should we build it? Economic feasibility is determined by identifying costs and benefits associated with the system, assigning values to them, calculating future cash flows, and measuring the financial worthiness of the project. There are three common assessment measures: return on investment ROI, break-even point BEP, and net present value NPV. We can use them for cash flow analysis. Learn how to calculate ROI, BEP, and NPV here. More details are in your textbook. The first task of economic feasibility analysis is to identify the costs and benefits of the system. The costs and benefits can be categorized into four groups: development costs, operational costs, tangible benefits, and intangible benefits. Development costs are tangible expenses incurred during the creation of the system. They are usually one-time costs. Operational costs are tangible expenses required to operate the system. They are usually ongoing costs. When we do cost-benefit analysis, we should use the discounted cash flow method. That means we use NPV to calculate the values. This is an example of cost-benefit analysis. Use the NPV. Organizational feasibility analysis attempts to answer the question, if we build it, will they come? This is to figure out how well the system will be accepted by its users. This is a summary of the feasibility assessment. After finishing this chapter, please check if you have obtained these learning objectives.